This is Dawn from Cultivating Cousins. I just wanted to show you something I'm trying. Doesn't mean it's going to work. I just have a lot of extra. It's calabaza squash. I've never grown it before, but all of them germinated. I wasn't expecting this, so I have an abundance left. So I've tried this already. I just put it in this morning. But I'm going to show you how I do it, and we're going to see if it works. So I got a little space. It's a little dead grass. It's against the house. It's a little garden soil. This is all I have that's left over. Just throwing 2 of these containers on top. I'm gonna get some fertilizer. Sprinkle some, rub it in. Put my other 2 containers on top. Mound it up. A little firm. Now this should have like perlite, some mixture, but this is all I have left. So they're either going to die in the container, or I can try this and see if it works. I'm going to get some of this from here's grass clippings. It's behind my basketball hoop hiding. So it's kind of warm in the middle, so it is decomposing. So I'm going to get some from the middle of that. Put around. A little stuck. Hopefully keep some moisture in there. And now we'll see how it goes. Have a great day. Experiment. Grow something you love.